So welcome to our little web tutorial here on how to subscribe to some of the various pages on the Healthy Actions Challenge website. One of the cool features that Google has really built right into these websites is that it allows you to get an email pushed to you to whatever email address you use on your username if there's any changes put on the page. So the reason why we think the info and posts page is the best one to subscribe to is because this is where most people are going to post their updates. It shows up on the front page of the actual site where you see the news and updates there on the right, but the truth is that this is done on the info and posts page. So the first thing we need to do is go from the members page and open up the info and posts page. So we'll go ahead and move the cursor there and open that page up. Alright, so we scroll down, we find info and posts, and we click on it, and that goes and opens up the info and posts page. Now if you look at the top right hand portion of the screen, you're going to see a button there that says More Actions, and when you drop that button down or when you click on it, it opens up a menu that shows a bunch of different things you can do. This is the case on any page on the site. This button exists, and you can select Subscribe to Page Changes. And that's going to send you that email based on any changes that happen to that particular page. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring the cursor up and click on More Actions. And you can see there the second choice from the top is Subscribe to Page Changes. And that's what we're going to want to do. In this example, it's just going to push that email to us when this particular page changes, which is the info and posts page. So we're not going to get every comment that's posted on the page when we do it this way, but we will get this change or this page anytime it's updated. Alright, so once we click on it, the menu goes away. And if you look at the top portion of the screen, you can see there's a band there that's telling you you'll be notified when any changes to this page are made. And as long as you see that, you're done. That's all it takes. You've now subscribed to this page, and you'll get an email that says from the Healthy Actions Challenge, and then whatever the change was, anytime someone posts a new comment, posts an update, or puts any other information on the news and posts page. Alright, so what about in the case when you really want to get every change that comes through? So you want to be updated when info and post gets updated, you want to know when somebody puts something else, like a comment somewhere, uploads anything on the evidence page, and on and on. In this case, you would want to subscribe to all of the changes, which is really called subscribing to changes to this site. It's the same procedure, but different menu choice. Alright, so we navigate back to the info and posts page, although you really could do this one from just about anywhere. It doesn't really matter because you're going to be subscribing to the entire site. What you're going to do is you're going to take the cursor and put it up on the More Actions button on the top right. The menu is going to give you a choice that says subscribe to all of the changes to this site. You select that, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so we move the mouse up to More Actions. We scroll down and select Subscribe to Site Changes. You get the confirmation at the top that says you'll be notified when any of the changes are made to this site. And then anytime a comment, a news, a post, a picture, an upload is done on the site, you'll get an email that tells you that's been done. Alright, the final thing we need to show you is how to unsubscribe. If for some reason you decide either there's a lot of site changes and you're getting inundated with emails, which sometimes happens on the more active sites, or for some reason you just decide you don't want to be following that closely anymore, you simply just go and repeat the procedure, except this time you select unsubscribe. So we'll show you how to do that. Okay, take the cursor, move it up, select unsubscribe, you get the notification in the top, and you're done. If you want to do the same thing for the unsubscribe to site changes, you would do the exact same thing. Move the cursor to the More Actions button, scroll down. Instead of saying subscribe to, it'll now say unsubscribe to. Select it, it'll confirm, and you're finished. Alright, so we hope you learned something and hope that was pretty straightforward for you. We'll keep putting up tutorials so you can learn how to use the site. Keep going, and good luck on the challenge.